of factory direct energy oil and petrochemical products brokers. I'm your host, Blessed Naladeseme. If you're looking to learn about top quality and choice and petrochemical products straight from the factory to your business, you are in the right place. In this episode, we will talk about.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's energy forecast. Today, we'll discuss how you can get energy oil. But before that, don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe to this podcast anywhere you're listening to us. Alright, let's move on. Energy oil manufacturer for bulk supply, private label supply, OEM, and export. Talk to us to get energy oil count. Every keyword as 35 container. Email says at apobleh.com to get a monthly supply code from Everblight. Liquid oil importers moving to plus containers per month. Your priorities APS certified facilities manufactured to May, and also Nitty oil manufactured to Net. ISO 9001 quality management systems, ISO 6723, lubricant classification, OEKLTX, compatible manufacturing requirements replicable, reach compliance replicable, and SFH1 for applicable food grade formulations ASTM, performance on laboratory tested standards and OEM performance specifications. With this side equipment, we manufacture needed all through our vetted manufacturing partners across Turkey, Germany, the United Arab Emirates, United States, Brazil, Egypt, Australia, ensuring consistent export capacity and regional production efficiency. So you can get up to 10 plus containers per month with the 12% thermal supply agreement. Email says at apobleh.com for got a monthly supply code from Everblight. Netty oil we manufacture. We produce and supply for industrial netty oil categories for OEM and export buyers, industrial netty oil, OEM netty oil, knitting machine, briquette oil, paraffin based netty oil, synthetic netty oil for cloth knitting machines, non-staining, knitting lubricant oil for crude netty oil. I've discussed the test on netty oil, water washable netty oil, Anesthetics, knitting lubricant oil, new oil for knitting machines, circular knitting machine oil, flatbed machine knitting oil, warp knitting oil. Email says at apobleh.com to get a monthly supply code from Everblight. We have OEM knitting oil manufacturing, private label knitting oil manufacturing, white label knitting oil manufacturing, ODM knitting oil manufacturing, and toe blending knitting oil manufacturing. Email says at apobleh.com to get a monthly supply code. Steps to get an order. Confirm your order. Minimum 1 feet container and then get paid samples after confirming a 1 feet container order. After testing, then you can knock and touch the train for more contract. Packaging and needed oil as per options. Available needed oil packaging formats 1 liter, 2 liter, 12 liter, 25 liter, 200 liter drums, 1000 liter IBC tanks, and flexi tank box supply. Email says at apobleh.com to get a monthly supply code. Confirm you want a certificate container order before you proceed with samples. Request an or code or embark needed on supply agreement. Looking for reliable needed manufacturer for box supply or private protection. APSFA facilities, ASTM performance standards, and OEM line formulations. FOB and CIF person post samples after confirming what and standard frequency in the order request. Email us at apobleh.com to get a monthly supply from Everblight. We will love you and leave you. And before that, the payment terms for Navy oil manufacturing is 50% deposit payment and 50% before loading. No 100% DP, no letter of credit, no net 1530. 60 and 90 times. If you have any kind of Memphis payment terms, please do not request a code. Email said at apobleh.com to get a monthly supply code. We will love you and leave you. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for listening to the Everblight, also factory direct energy oil and petrochemical products podcast. Don't forget to go to www.appleblade.com to get wholesale fertility injuries and petrochemical products. And I will talk to you next week. I will love you and leave you. See you next week.